Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we have something for the first time on PC Crazy YouTube channel. We have the NZXT KRAKEN X52 240mm liquid cooler or whatever, and we're going to approach it a bit differently than usual. Maybe someone already did it, but we're going to cool something different. We have here the Intel Core i9-9900K, and we're going to see some tests with this. I'm going to build a complete build with this processor into the NZXT H700i. We're going to place the KRAKEN X52 just because we already know if you have a larger radiator, if you have the X62 or X72, you know it's going to cool better. But I really want to, my personal curiosity wants to know how X52 cools down the i9-9900K. So first of all, we're going to, well, you're going to have a time-lapse video of the build, of course, and you're going to have loads of pictures on my Instagram profile, definitely. But first of all, we're going to do an unboxing of the KRAKEN X52. You'll see some of the parts and what parts you get with in this box, of course. And later on, we're going to see some temperatures testing with the NZXT Cam application, and that's all there is to it, guys. We're going to sum it up, and that's all. So let's unbox it. I have fast forwarded the unboxing video so you guys don't lose a lot of time watching it from the beginning till the end. We have two 120mm fluid dynamic bearing RFAP 120 FP fans. So basically you have two 120mm fans. You have brackets for the AMD and Intel processors, screws for the radiator and for the fans, and that's practically everything is in this bag. You do have user's manual completely with everything that it's containing inside this box and how to connect everything. So you have one USB 2.0 that you connect to your motherboard. You have mini USB port to connect to the NZXT pump. On the other side you have the splitter for the fans, so you can connect the fans so it can automatically regulate the speeds and everything, and then you have the SATA power, and you have another connector here. This is definitely for the power option as well. And then we go to the most important thing, the radiator and the pump plus water block for the CPU. To be honest, I was always fascinated by their liquid coolers from the KRAKEN X52 and onwards, because it's not just about the cooling. Okay, the cooling is most important and the performance you get with certain coolers, but the attraction and what they did with the RGB and the NZXT Cam application, this is something really cool. And to be honest, I really like this CPU block. It's really nice with the old RGB going crazy, or fixed color, or whatever you want to do. Is just really nice. So let's go into building that build from scratch, time-lapse video, and then we'll do some tests, and then I can make some conclusions of the X52 from NZXT. Basically, we did the testing with the NZXT KRAKEN X52 and with the Intel Core i9 9900K. We have the build over here. The cables were a bit too short to place it here so you can see it better. But you have a past video where you can see the whole time lapse. Never mind. The temperatures were actually really surprising. We had some average 65 Celsius degrees. I was just checking this to see what it will show, and the NZXT cam was here to check the clock speeds and the temperature and the load and everything else. So this is very interesting for the KRAKEN X52, and definitely going to do a comparison with the KRAKEN X62. Basically that's all. One thing, don't forget to like, and I don't mean like my video. There is an NZXT Balkan Facebook and Instagram page down below in the description, so don't forget to jump on Facebook, on Instagram, like, follow, and that's all there is to it, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to sub, more videos coming, and of course we'll do the X62 as well from NZXT. And more videos, of course. This is the build that I was testing it in, so you have in the past video you can watch the time-lapse of building this beautiful case with really extreme components. Again, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye, guys.